College Bun Fibro can notice namta ka fast counseling for BSc Nursing admission for session 24-25. Kalami kane kadai tang ka fast counseling ye kiban khot namta ka BSc Nursing admission kiban yok puli hapo NEIGRIHMS. Tiyangan page mta kane ka notification kan ongomno. This is for information for all eligible candidates who had applied for admission into BSc Nursing. You will apply your admission upon NEIGRIHMS. Shillong that counseling for admission to BSc Nursing course academic session 24-25 will be held on the 30th of August. Kan mau kan day live 3 August kan penlong ka fast counseling 2024 at 11 a.m. in College of Nursing NEIGRIHMS Shillong on the basis of merit in the National Eligibility entrance test NEET UG conducted by National Testing Agency. Teka counseling, fast counseling and the live 3 August hapo NEIGRIHMS College of Nursing NEIGRIHMS Shillong. Ka code of score nagamta kiban yo ka fast counseling nela dabai. Code of score for counseling NEET score revise kan dai lai spark knife huwei. The light spark knife huwei sejrong kin sakol ligine kiba yo ka light spark knife huwei sejrong namta ka fast counseling. Eligibility should have applied for BSc Nursing. Tang kiba apply hi kiyo. The candidate who have attained the cut-off score of 391 marks and above is the NEET in the NEET UG 24 conducted by NTA and fulfilling the eligibility criteria will be called for a counseling against a call. Yagine kiba yo life spark knife huwei sejrong. The candidate who are called for counseling have to report in person. Kiaban late he day hakatega jaka balabo and produce the certificate in original as well as zero copy of all documents at the time of counseling. No individual letter phone call will be sent. Kinam pa individual letter and phone call or made for attending the counseling. Taken sa pentip lingba ka email na lingba ka website na kin sa pentip hadin. If a candidate failed to report at the venue of counseling on the 30 August, can mau kila fail one report live for August kila do before 11 a.m. and failure to produce any of the following document in original as xerox, the candidate will not be considered for admission, and the seat will be offered to the next deserving candidate without any further communication thereof. If you have documents, NEET UG 24 rank letter, com scorecard, revise, pass certificate, 10+2 mark sheet, age proof certificate, character and conduct certificate, 3 recent passport size, color photograph. Habra aikine. A method of counseling. During the counseling, the candidate will be called in order of merit. In court show kiba kham hemak, tater sahir sikibarit. After verification of document and ascertaining of eligibility criteria, the candidate will be serially allotted. Hence, I allot bajiki seat serially on the basis of merit till 50. Hadu san posit are fill up kada kata san posit kampat dap kinang court show. Candidate who failed to attend counseling medical examination on a notified date shall forfeit their claim. Calling for counseling does not mean allotment of seat. Haba ong syakot counseling kamdei ba ong ba pinyo ba yaka seat lada pidei shabar ka top 50 kumud ba pinomyo arai phap apshwa lada pidei po ka top 50 kumud ba pinyo ba yaka seat te ka syong gupta ga lada tang mar syakot counseling kamdei ba philayo yaka seat. If any of the original certificate listed above is found defective, hangta ka ayujung fi lakut laraga wena ki original certificate jung fi ka found defective ngutba filadu ba ya ka admission. The selected candidate on the day of the counseling are to submit haga por counseling haban submit igane chalan for payment admission of 16,800, bank deposit in slip for payment of SNA fee of 3,000, phapsiu haga tu kasi counseling kin sapentip ya fee kumno bansiu kames fees kolong exposure khandai spa sanpho to be deposited by the student quarterly. The MES fees is to be deposited at the time of admission and subsequently at the beginning of each quarter during the academic session. No acceptance if seats are not filled up during the first counseling, temunta can cut saya ka first counseling lada ka seat kam dap kin sa cut pada saya kan second counseling kemudian ba ki lais ba khnai phoi hapo kin sa cut saya ki will be held at a later date kin sa pentip ya kataring. However, those candidates who are called for the first counseling but fail to appear will not be eligible. Kiba one ha first counseling la kinom yo show. The decision of committee will be final and binding on all. Interested candidates should frequently visit the institute website. Kan mau haban visit the website man kapor nam tagi jing tip bakamni na kan NEIGRIHMS.gov.in for more information. The date for commencement of the academic session 24-25 is on 2nd September 2024. The class kan sedang baik 2nd September arjar sau. Kitu kiba yo egalais bak nai pui sejrong penkret lupa marki ongkan sakol kin sapen mit notice ane kin sapa message tama in sapet kin phagam no tama happy be website man gapor. Tangin hi higijung pitep khulai shubun.